Well, what we're gonna do is gotta replace the mud cups. This is a brand new one right here. This is what pulls the concrete. Huh? I got one. Whatever, was that half? Anyway, this is what goes in these cylinders. Tarps in the way. Right there. These are on the end of the hydraulic rams. It's down there. Pulls the concrete in, and then when one's pulling concrete in, the other one's going to be shoving it out. That's why, you know, sometimes you hear me say, "Well, we're going to go shove some concrete there." Well, we're shoving concrete through this whole system. It's a piston-driven pump. But anyway, we're getting time to change these now. This is actually the first time that they've been changed on this truck. So this area here is what we call the water box. It lubricates the back side of the cups, and it's got little bitty hydraulic lines. It shoots a little bit of hydraulic fluid in there to lubricate also along with the water. But we're going to change these out, get some new ones in. And it can be a pain. The trailer pump is definitely, because there's no working room in that thing. You've got to wrestle everything around it. Dog bone. It's shaped like a dog bone. That's what that is. Alright, here's the trick. To pull this into this ram up close enough to here to get the bolt from the backside in to right there to pull that out. Here's the old one, which I don't think looks all that terrible, all that worn. Maybe it's the other one that's worn worse. I don't know. There's a new one. But there's definitely grout in the box, so they gotta be, it's supposed to be changed. So anyway, luckily Bill was here to hold my hand and keep me from pulling my hair out, because I damn near did. Because they've got everything in the world they can think of to get in the way of pulling a simple old mud cup out. Which I think's ridiculous. But you'll see how I have to put this in here. It won't just go down. It won't fit. You've got to set it in here, turn it. Just like that. Honky. here's the deal. I need some help with some subscribers. So I'm going to give away a used mud cup to my subscribers in a drawing, but you got to make comments so I know who's making comments and all that stuff. But subscribers, we need 100 subscribers by the weekend. So when we hit 100 subscribers, by you sharing the videos and all that, I'm gonna give away a used mud cup. And then when we hit 200 subscribers, I'll give away the other used mud cup. But great for door stops, ashtrays, you name it. You be creative, whatever you want to do. But so once we hit 100 subscribers, we'll put everybody's name in a drawing. And we'll draw for, and whoever wins will get a used mud cup. And then the same when we hit 200. So with y'all's help, a little cooperation, we can get this done and just share some videos. Anyway, I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.